the economy is not economy. To get the dry fish, as an African, when you're cooking, you always like dry fish to put on top of the soup at the end. But then these days, the dry fish in the African store has become so expensive. I got to learn to cut my coat according to my size. You understand? Even sometimes, even though I can afford it, but I gotta learn to cut my coat according to my size, because the economy is not economy. So you buy one fish like this, the dry one like this, you buy it like for 4 or 5 euros in the African store. When I can get all of this in the market for 10 euros, then I'll come home and dry it myself. So me, I'm a village girl. I was born and raised in the village, and I cut my coat according to my size. So I bought my fish and I am drying it by myself at home. So this is my fish. Excuse my oven. This oven is in the store. It's just meant to dry fish. That's the reason I don't even bother to clean it every single time. So this is the fish. You see, I'm drying it in the oven, and then when I'm cooking my dish, I can take one and put it on top of my soup, remove the bones and everything. So I'm drying it. At least this is not Africa where you have to be blowing firewood. If you know Africa, you know firewood. This is not firewood. This is oven. You put it 60 minutes, and then you come and check once in a while. You put it outside. You don't put this inside the kitchen. This oven is just meant for drying fish. It's just in the store so that my house doesn't smell like fish markets. So cut your coat according to your size. This life is not balanced. I beg. Economy is not economy. So me too, I have to be looking the way I'm economy in my economy.